Can AI glasses really replace your smartphone? For the next 24 hours, these glasses are going to replace my phone. These are by far the most popular AI glasses you can get your hands on. They have 5 microphones, immersive speakers that don't take you out of the real world, an AI voice assistant built on top of ChatGPT, and they can do most things a smartphone can do. Call, text, ask for help with anything, listen to music, podcasts, take photos, record videos, and even live stream, all without needing a phone or a screen. But there's one thing that they don't have, an actual screen. But is that really a bad thing? Let's see what people have to say. Hey there, can I film you for a YouTube video really quick?
Sure.
I'm gonna be wearing these glasses to replace my phone for 24 hours. So do you think that AI glasses can one day replace smartphones entirely?
Do those have a heads-up display on them?
No. Oh. Oh shoot. Hey there. Would you be willing to answer a question for a YouTube video? Do you think that AI glasses will one day replace smartphones?
Actually, yeah, because like AI is kind of taking over everything at the moment, and I don't know if you've seen the whole like police robot thing, but I think AI is
But no.
Okay,
AI is kind of gonna run everything, low key.
I like it. I don't know what police robot thing you're talking about. Well, thanks. Are you playing chess by yourself?
Yeah.
Do you want to play?
Sure. Yeah.
I don't know what was up with that first guy, but I was determined to prove him wrong. So after this quick game of chess, I began to wonder, how exactly can these glasses really replace my phone today? Well, I just pretended I had a phone. I texted people using the voice, really easy. I called one of my friends, also really easy. I even put on my favorite podcast, because who doesn't like learning? But these glasses have an extra benefit. They are your forever AI assistant. First, I got her opinion on this sweater. She thought it was too expensive. Then I wanted to try out this crazy feature that I read about online. But to do that, I needed a book. And then I needed to start reading. Or did I? You see, these glasses have a little cheat code. Summarize these 2 pages for me. Pretty crazy, right? But one of my favorite features is it can describe what you're seeing and even write a poem about it. Hey Meta, write me a poem about what you see.
Yellow taxi, bright and bold, in a home where shoppers unfold. A place of commerce, bustling with life. 2 figures walk in the distance far.
After I got to my friend's apartment, I made some pizza, and then I discovered another hidden feature. I decided to write a song and use the glasses. The result was kind of funny, but I wrote the song way faster than I would have on my own. Where my glasses are my only best friend. What should the second line be? Okay. Something that really stood out to me from doing this is how much more present I was in the real world. No social media, no Googling things. It was so much more distraction free. Hey Meta, set an alarm for 8 a.m. Turns out she can't set alarms yet. Hey Meta, set a timer for 8 hours. Gonna sleep with these on so that I hear the alarm. If you can use the timer as an alarm, turn up the volume before you go to sleep. That's a key tip. 6 more hours until the 24 hours runs up. I'll do a few more things and I'll talk about what I've learned from this experience. Update, I'm in the ER. Yeah, things don't always go according to plan. An ambulance took my dad to the emergency room. I was gonna spend the rest of the day with him. We watched some of our favorite shows. Yeah, honestly, not having a phone and just having these glasses was really nice. I never found myself looking at my phone. It was all quality time. So now what do I think about these glasses? Can they actually replace my phone? Well, they're not 100% there yet. This definitely just felt like trying to live without a phone for 24 hours, but still getting to keep all of the really useful things that you have a phone for in case of emergencies, being able to call people, text people, listen to music for the vibes. So it really just has everything that you need, but I would be lying if I said it gave you nothing more, because some features are better than what you would get in a phone. You get this AI assistant that's really helpful without having to pull out a screen, and you can record POV content whenever you want. So really it's a whole different way of living. I do think that glasses with an actual heads-up display, AR, will be more widely adopted, but these Ray-Ban Metas are kind of for the minimalist who wants their life to be enhanced and be more entertained by a really, really cool piece of technology in your everyday life. And it really just makes everything brighter. Being able to hear a poem about whatever moment or situation you're in is just really amazing. Being able to hear a joke on command whenever, also really nice. Doing this challenge was really easy, and it was actually really good for my mental health. If you want to check out these glasses, they are in the link in the description. I didn't even want to finish this video because of what happened in the end, but I'm committed to doing my 2 videos a week. So if you enjoyed this, I just ask that you press the like button, sub if you want, and I hope you have a really great day. Peace.